for visiting our website at www.branchise.com. Let me ask you, when was the last time someone told you you really should franchise this business? Or asked you, hey, are you a franchise? I just love your concept. Well, chances are if you've heard this, then you might be sitting on the next big franchise idea. Perhaps you're an existing business owner who wants to franchise, or an existing franchisor looking to kickstart and enhance your franchise programs. Or maybe you're a hardworking entrepreneur who has a great idea lurking in the back of your head, a concept that you want to start making a reality. If so, then you need to know about Branchise. When our clients compare Branchise, some of the unique qualities that stand out are things like personalized one-on-one consulting. No canned templates here at Branchise. We work with you to create a fully customized franchise consulting solution. Experienced. Imagine someone designing an automobile who has never learned to drive. It's pretty hard to create a franchise when you've never been in the driver's seat of a franchisee or franchisor. Our Branchise team is comprised of a network of highly skilled industry experts in business, restaurant, retail, legal, and marketing. Well, you can imagine what happens when we combine all that talent and seasoned experience to work on your concept. When it comes to franchise growth, our network is one of the biggest and best. Service-oriented. We treat our client family like family. We make ourselves available, and we are always finding new ways to wow our clients with fantastic service designed to keep your project on task, on time, and on budget. Franchising is the world's most effective method of business expansion. In fact, franchising creates almost $2 trillion. Yep, that's trillion with a T in global economic impact. Can you think of any business growth mechanism that even comes close to that? And franchising isn't just for the fast food folks. In fact, companies in over 75 different business industries use franchising to grow their businesses. Making the decision to franchise is an exciting one, but for many people, an overwhelming one, especially when you start looking at all that needs to be done. There's the franchise document, state registrations, trademark registrations, copyrights, logos, and questions like, what should my royalty be? What should my franchise fee be? That's exactly why it is critical for your franchise project to work with a respected and experienced consulting firm. Branchise is excited that you took the time to visit our website, and we stand ready to serve you as your business moves into the most exciting and rewarding phase of your life, franchising. Why wait? If it's time to get your company growing, then let's get started right away. Call Branchise today to discuss your exciting franchise project.